Welcome back to TradeWave Tuesday, where we're using the new TradeWave trend following system on top of my own discretion to try to see if we can combine these two things in order to make some good trades. So again, if you're new to Trade Ideas or you haven't tried Trade Ideas yet, check out the link in the description below. What we're looking at here is lows. So the current positions we have on, I should go over that, is ONON. This may have been assigned to the wrong account, so we'll see. We'll see if we can change that somehow. But we took that a couple on this day right here, I believe, with a stop loss in place. That one, or must have been back here. With the stop loss in place, that one's doing fantastic so far with a nice gap up here today. The whole market's gapping up. And then we have WTW, which we took way back here with just a stop loss below this low. That starts moving as well. So again, we're just waiting for TradeWave to tell us to get out of these names. And while we're searching for more, I'm going to take a look at LOW, L-O-W, L-O-W. So LOW is a home building supply company, I guess in the States, has earnings in a couple days. Triggered a TradeWave buy signal yesterday. I like this, push up and then pulling back, and now it looks like it's going again. I'm actually going to bid here a little bit below price, see if this gap comes in and fills a little bit during the day to try to get filled there. Even if I miss that though, and there's some sort of craziness that happens throughout the day, I will make sure that I'm certainly in there for at some point today, right? I'll load it up, and if I miss the fill, I'll probably just punch in, because again, the idea here is that we know wholeheartedly that we're not going to get a stellar win rate on this, because it's trend following, right? Trend following doesn't have the most insane win rate. See, I was able just to actually punch in there. What we're trying to do here instead is we're trying to make sure that we are in the direction of the trend when something is working, so we can take a gain off that, and we want to stay in as long as we can, right? So the last time lows triggered was way down here at 236, and you kind of rode it all the way up, and then you had a sell signal here at what's that, 269. So that would have been a great 30-point trade. So we're seeing maybe we get another leg or extension like this on this one. So again, if you haven't tried Trade Ideas yet, check out the link in the description below.